Hey there. Do you guys want to know how to get these sound effects in one of my videos? Well, you're in luck, because this is our tutorial. This video is called, How to Download Sound Effects in RapperFLN. I download sound effects for my Dynamite videos. I use a download sound effects platform like My Instance and SoundButtons World. But I prefer My Instance Compso. I will give you guys the link for those in the description. But anyways, let's begin the tutorial. First, write or copy and paste the link like I said before. Then, press the platform if you wrote it. And if you press the link, it will take you there. Then, press any sound effect. And click the title of the sound button. Then press the button Download MP3. Then wait for it to load. And it's done loading. But that's not it. Go into RapperFLN and press Make a Video. When you're in, press the upload logo. And press your MP3 sound effect download. And set it into sound effect and add it to scene and test it out. And there you are. That's how you download sound effects in RapperFLN. And I hope this tutorial went well for you guys. And by the way, have you seen my classic Krillin Gets Grounded for Nothing video? Let me know in the comments down below.